What's up, tech? It's Josh here, and this is my unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm coming from the iPhone 14 Pro model from last year, and I'm definitely going to love having the bigger screen and the bigger battery life with the 15 Pro Max. I'm also pretty excited about having a true white color. I love white for phones. It's just so clean, minimalistic. It's just one of my favorite colors to get. I'm looking forward to using the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, I'm gonna put it through my test, just daily use kind of things. Looking forward to see what the camera quality is like, of course, using that bigger battery life that I missed out on with the Pro model last year. And I'm kind of curious to see how this action button's gonna treat me. I'm looking forward to creating all kinds of content using this phone and around this phone, so stay tuned to the channel, my social media outlets and things like that. And if you have any questions, let me know. Be looking out for that case haul video that I do every year. Waiting for a few brains to be sent in, and we'll get that one kicking.